Good morning, students. Today I will be solving the remaining sums of this exercise, and you have to keep certain properties in your mind. So just kept these properties in mind. I will explain these properties when we will solving the sums. So the first property is NA plus NA complement equals N universal. NA union B equals NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. I will tell these properties when we will solving the sum. You will understand better way. So here the question is, let U denote the universal set and A and B be any two sets. So N universal is given 25. The cardinal number of NA is given 17. NB is given 7. And NA union B complement is given 2. So you have to find the following according to these figures. First, NA complement. As you know very well that NA plus NA complement equals N universal. Now the question arises, why? Why the sum of these both equals N universal? As you know that universal consists all the elements, and the elements of A, for example 1, 2. Here the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. So how you will find? Wait, just see. For example, universal has the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. The set A is having the elements 1 and 2. Now what will be the A complement? As I explained before, A complement means the elements of A not present in universal set. So what are the elements? 3 and 4. So when you will add A and A complement, then only you will get universal. Yes or no? When you will add 1, 2, 3 and 4, all these 4 elements will combine and become this universal set. That's why NA plus NA complement equals N universal. Not only NA plus NA complement equals N universal. It can be NB plus NB complement. It can be NA union B plus NA union B complement equal N universal. It can be NA intersection B plus NA intersection B complement equal N universal. Only these figures will change. Otherwise the concept will remain same. Okay. Just see, NA is given 17. Then what you have to find? NA complement. And N universal is given 25. So NA complement equals 25. As 17 will come from left to right, then this is positive. So the sign will change and become negative. So when you will subtract 17 from 25, you will get 8. Understood? Now next question, you have to find NB complement. Similarly, NB plus NB complement equals N universal. When you will add both these, you will get what? Universal set. So NB is given 7. NB complement you have to find out. And N universal is given 25. So NB complement equals 25. Similarly, 7 is positive. When it will shift from left to right, the sign will change. It will become negative. So you will subtract 7 from 25 and you will get 18. Next, NA union B. Similarly, NA union B plus NA union B complement equals N universal. So NA union B complement, the number is given in question 2. The value is given, and N universal value is given 25. So NA union B equals 25. As it is positive, so you will subtract minus 2. You will get 23. Now the next question is NA intersection B. So how you will find NA intersection B? As you know, NA union B. Union means what? The elements of A plus B. Yes or no? Then why we will subtract A intersection B? Because intersection means common elements. When you will write the elements 2 times, then 1 time you will subtract, yes or no? That's why how you will find NA union B? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. For example, 1 2, B is having 2 3. So what is A union B? 1 2 and 3. And what will be A intersection B? 2. Now if you will add these both, then 2 appears 2 times. So what you will do? You will subtract N intersection B. Then only you will get NA union B. Understood? So NA union B is given 23. NA is given 17. NB is given 7 minus NA intersection P. So you will add these both, 17 plus 7, you will get 24. As whatever you have to find, it should be positive. So it will come here and it will become positive. So 24, here it is positive, it will come here. When the sides are changed, the integers are also changed. So 24 minus 23, you will get 1. Now the next question is NA minus V. So NA minus NA minus V equals NA intersection B. So what is NA? The elements of A. NA minus B means elements of A not present in B. So it will be equal to NA intersection B. So NA is given 17, then minus NA minus B. As you have already find out NA intersection B, that is 1. So whatever you have to find out, it should be positive. So you will turn the side and it will come positive. 17 here positive is there. When it will come here, it will be, the sign will change, negative. 17 minus 1, you will get 16. So NA minus B equals 16. Next, NB minus A. Similarly, NB minus NB minus A equals NA intersection B. NB minus A means the elements of A. So whatever the common will be there, that will be NA intersection B. So that's why we have subtract. So NB is given 7 minus NB minus A. The value of NA intersection B is given 1. So as you have to find this, so it should be positive. So it came to the right hand side. So you will subtract 1 from 7 and you will get 6. Now the next question is, out of a group of 1000 people, 560 have TV, 250 have a computer and 130 have both. Find the number of people who have. So 1000 people, out of a group of 1000 people, that means total. So it is universal. N universal is given 1000. 560 have a TV. So N bracket T given 560. 250 have a computer. So NC, C denotes computer. How much? 250. 130 have both. Both means T intersection C. So according to these, what you have to find? How many people only have TV, only a computer, either a TV or a computer or both, neither a TV nor a computer. So let's do. First is only a TV. Only a TV means just a TV. That means that people should not like computer. So what you will do? NT minus NT intersection C. When you will subtract NT intersection C from NT, then what you will get? The number of persons who likes only TV. Just see, 430 denotes that they like only TV. 130 denotes what? 130 denotes that 130 number of people like TV also. and computer also. That means they both are having TV as well as computer. But 430 denotes what? That they are having only a TV. So only a TV, what you will do? NT minus NT intersection C. So NT is given 560 minus 130 and you will get 430. Now only a computer. Only a computer means that just a computer. TV should not be included. So NC minus NT intersection C. So NC is given 250 and 130. 130 means what? That they like both TV as well as computer. So 250 minus 130, you will get 120. Now the next question is, either a TV or a computer or both. They should like TV also, computer also, both also. So this quality is in which? T union C. So NT union C, you know very well, NT plus NC minus NT intersection C. So what is the value of NT? 560 as given in the question. What is the value of NC? 250 as given in the question. And what is the value of NT intersection C? 130 as given in the question. So you will add both. 560 plus 250, what you will get? 810 minus 130 and you will get 680. Now neither a TV nor a computer. Now number of people who neither like a TV nor a computer. So what were the total number of people? 1000. And what are the number of people who like TV also, computer also and both also? They are 680. So what you will do? NU minus NT union C, and 1000 minus 680, you will get 320. That means out of 1000 people, 600 people like what? TV. 680 people have both TV, computer. Okay. And 320 people, they neither have a TV nor a computer. Thank you.